Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete invite message on Instagram. Instagram's invite message feature allows users to connect with others, but occasionally one might send an invite to the wrong person. The platform doesn't inherently offer a straightforward method to unsend these invites, especially when sent to non-friends, creating a need for a comprehensive guide to navigate this process effectively. To unsend an invite message on Instagram, block the recipient, which allows you to delete the chat containing the invite message. After deleting, you can choose to unblock the recipient. This ensures the invite message is unseen by the unintended recipient, maintaining user privacy and control on Instagram. So first, you need to launch Instagram. Start by opening the Instagram app on your mobile device or accessing it via a web browser. Second, navigate to Messenger. Once on the home screen, locate and tap on the Messenger icon situated at the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Access the chat. Open the specific chat containing the invite message you wish to unsend. Step 4. View profile. After accessing the chat, select the View Profile option to navigate to the profile of the individual to whom the message was sent. Step 5. Block the user. Tap on the three dot icon located at the top right corner of the screen. A list of options will appear. From this list, select the block option. Confirm the action by tapping on the block option again. Step 6. Delete the chat. Once the user is blocked, revisit the chat. Two options, unblock and delete, will be visible. Select the delete option and confirm the action. Step 7. Unblocking, but it's optional. If you wish to unblock the user after deleting the message, navigate to their profile and select the unblock option. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.